Hey Dylan,
Yeah.
what car do you currently drive? And if Santa's dropping cars off for Christmas, what car would you wish you could drive?
Well, I drive a 2013 supercharged FRS. And if I were to take anything from Santa, I'd take a 2JZ engine swap. We'll leave it at that.
Alrighty then. Hey Carrie,
Hey.
what car do you currently drive? And if Santa's dropping cars off for Christmas this year, what car do you wish you could drive?
Oh man, well I drive a 2016 Chevy Malibu, which I love my car. But if I had a choice and Santa was dropping me a car, I want a 2023 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright. And then for myself, I actually currently drive a 2015 Subaru WRX-1 here behind me. If Santa is dropping cars off for Christmas this year, I'd be looking at hopefully driving a 70s Charger for that one. But yeah.